road again. We's hitting the road again. He's got his seatbelt on. Our best friend. We on the road again.
Yeah.
What's up, you guys? So as you see, we're in the car hitting the road for another adventure. Welcome back to another exciting adventure with Destination Stone. If you're new here, my name is Sadie.
And Dwayne.
Yeah, like I said, we're hitting the road on another adventure. We are headed to Raleigh, North Carolina for our first time being at the Carolina Fear Fest.
That's right. Pretty excited about this. Haven't been to a horror convention in a minute, so definitely excited to go to one.
I'm so excited! Thank you so much, Carolina Fear Fest, for having us out. Pretty stoked for that. Today, we're just on the road, and we're gonna take you guys with us. Headed to Raleigh, show you our hotel when we get there. We're just hanging out, having a good day, enjoying the journey to the destination.
That's right.
All right, guys, so put your seatbelts on. As you can see, he's got his on. We play it safe in the Monster Mobile. And let's hit this dusty trail to Raleigh, North Carolina. Woo! We stopped at the gas station. Picked up this. I'm gonna give that a try. Sprite lemonade? Limonade? How do you say that? Legacy. That's how you say it. Sprite Legacy. And I've never tried this vitamin water. Refresh Tropical Mango.
It's really good.
Very delicious. Very delicious.
We can try this.
Let's give this a try.
I lost the lid.
Oh, shoot.
It's very fruity smell.
Really? Ooh.
It's not bad. It's tart at first, but then it's kind of sweet.
Oh.
It's pretty good.
50 years of hip hop. It's celebrating hip hop.
That's pretty good. I wouldn't get it like all the time, but that's good.
Lemon, lime, strawberry, and lemonade is the flavors in that. Strawberry?
You don't taste the strawberry? That's like the main aftertaste I'm getting.
Yeah.
Look at that traffic over there.
That's weird flavor. Ew, why is there so much traffic?
Good thing we're going the other way.
This isn't too bad, but it's very odd.
Yeah.
What's with all the strawberry stuff lately? I'm not mad. I love strawberry, but it's a lot of strawberry stuff lately. What is going on here? Where are y'all headed?
Oh, and now we're about to get into it.
What? I got you on film if you hit us, bruh. I got you on film, bruh. I had to whip out my planner. Dwayne and I just started figuring up Legion's Con. Holy Toledo. I don't know if you guys realize this, but Dwayne did get selected to be intern for a Dizzle.
That's right.
So, we're gonna need an entire week off work. Sorry, brothers. We're gonna have to take off from election day. That's election day, all the way to the next. And Halloween's the week before. Woo! I'm a busy gal, Meow. Gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgivings. Yes. Planning for Legion's Con. We already got our tickets. Now I need to get the hotel. Now that I know I'm gonna need an entire week off. It's gonna be cray-cray. Oh my God! There's gonna be so much Jollibee inside of my belly.
It's gonna be a lot of fun, you guys.
So much chicken finger licking. That's bees, yo.
That's crazy. I feel bad for those bees. I hope. That's crazy. I don't know. That's weird.
They're
Never seen that.
freaking out. I've never seen that before
Never
either.
seen a truck full of bees. Like it was beehives with bees just everywhere.
Not the bees! Not the bees!
That was crazy.
Yeah. You jabroni. a wee, maybe a candy bar, you see. There's vending machines over there for me. We're gonna go have a... We'll be right back.
Here.
I feel better. Wow, this is the back of it. I love going to rest stops.
There's parks in Phoenix Springs that don't look as good as this.
Okay, let's go to vending machines. I could use a snacky poo, maybe a candy or two. I don't know. Maybe some crunch chips. Sounds nice. Let's go. Dang, you could do cartwheels for days over there. That's cray cray. Oh my gosh. These are pretty flowers. Sniffable. I would love to do a rest stop video. Comment down below if you think that'd be a cool idea. All right. Oh, there's a squirrel. Squirrels.
Cool.
Squirrels. Hi, squirrels. Look at his butt. That's so big. Okay, let's see what they have. Oh, look at that feed. Drinkies. Snackies. Ooh, I love those. Honey barbecue crunch. Okay, we're gonna pick a snack.
Looks like we're about to get another one.
Well, but I only did it once, and then yours did come out.
Yeah.
Oh look, yours came out.
Yeah, one came out. You did it twice. You hit 60 twice. There.
Now we have 3.
Now we have 3. I know with so much stuff because everything kept getting stuck.
That was a weird vending machine. But hey, I got my blueberry Danish. We got a strawberry one. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
We got 2 bags of Bugles and Funyuns. I was confused. You scan your card one time and it let you get 2 things.
Yeah.
But then they would get stuck. Oh well. We have 1,000 snacks. We only have an hour left. Impact PPV comes on tonight. I'm pretty excited. And this little doggy is cute as heck. Cute puppy alert. Just puppies, puppies, puppies. Puppies and squirrels all up in this place. I just want to hang out here for the night. Snack heaven, snack heaven. Hey, I got 2 bags of Bugles.
Yeah.
Big bag, but half the bag is air. Oops.
Yeah, we gotta yield to them big old mother truckers.
Literally, bro. That's good. So, what the vending machine was doing, it was giving you $2 in credit, but it didn't tell you how much everything was.
Yeah, it was weird.
And then stuff would get stuck.
Damn interstate rest areas.
Man.
Big as hell.
Let's go. We found a random black metal local station.
Black metal.
That's great. We're almost there. And there's a sweet radio station nearby.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah. We're here. Yeah.
We can walk to Wendy's.
We can walk to Wendy's.
Man.
Store.
Yeah, good. Hey, look, now serving breakfast.
Yeah, Wendy's for breakfast. We're here at our hotel, the Quality Inn and Suites. All
Nice
right,
looking
guys.
hotel.
Yeah, I did pretty good, I think.
I think so too.
All right, so we are going to find a place to park, go check in, and then we'll take you around our hotel. We'll check it out together. What do you think of that?
See you there.
Second floor, menswear. Oh no, let me out. Hold on. Don't kid me, elevator man. Okay. 211.
211?
Yeah. There's washing machines. Let's check out our room. This is the first time we're going in, Avi, because here's all our stuff. Oh my gosh, it's the bathroom as soon as you walk in. Ooh, that's my pants. Come on in, Dwizzle. I'm already liking this.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Walk in, here's the closet. Hang stuff. I love this mirror. Wee! Blood eye, blood eye. Coffee. We brought our Keurig. We don't mess around. There's the sink. Here's some free squirts. And it's dark in here. Bathroom. Oh, this is nice. Toilet paper, nice and clean. There's some towels, nice and clean. The tub is nice and clean. Oh, it's got the curvy rod. Oh, it's nice and clean in here. There's no holes. No holes. I heard an all man. Let's see if it's a good or a bad all man. Good or bad all man?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the desk.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said.
Yay, this is lovely. Let me put down my ish. Eek! This is nice, y'all.
Very nice.
Okay, so when you walk in from the door, there's your sink right there. Bathroom. And then this is probably a Frigidator. Yes. Yeah. Refrigerator. It's called. Sure. Micro off. Does it work? Yes, Queen. Turn it off. Oh, TV. Looks like you got some outlets there, my friend.
Cool.
Oh, wait a minute. This doesn't work, does it? Is that?
Yeah, I think it's this.
I guess they used to have it central. But looks like there's plugs on each lamp. The bed. Ooh, the bed seems comfy. We'll test that in a second. Let's keep looking around. There's the dresser. We never used that. Look at that chair.
That's nice.
Give it a siddle.
Fake that pleather. It inflates and then it deflates.
I love this desk.
I like that a lot.
That's awesome.
That would be cool in the room.
This kind of desk. Look at it all curvy. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, this pen and notepad. I'm taking that home with me. I collect those. Let's say, anybody there? Can I get something? This is pretty cool. You dig it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Awesome. All right. Well, we're probably gonna get some food in a minute, and see you in a bit. Oh yeah, let's do the bed test and see if it's good.
It's
Whistle?
mushy.
Oh, it's got some mush for the touch.
It's comfy, actually.
Oh.
Ouch.
Yeah, you just hit one in my arm.
Yeah, it hurt quite a bit.
I bet. Yeah.
If we have all the colors.
Church's Chicken is closed. Oh, what is that?
Honeybee crepes and ice cream. Crepes. You want the crepe?
Crap! We're gonna look for a cookout. Cookout's always a good place to go.
All
right up the
fails.
road.
Cookout will be there.
Cookout, my friend. Ooh, a cemetery!
Ooh, a big one.
Woodlawn.
Look, it's on both sides. Damn, yeah, it's a pretty big one. Yeah, you can definitely drive through it. Oh, I see.
It's a bright colored cookout. We found our food. Whoa, this way is way back. Alright, as you can see, we picked up some cookout. It's always a good go-to when we're traveling, doing fun things. So that's our first episode of our new mini-series of this Raleigh adventure.
I'm already tired.
I'm really excited. I like this hotel. It's really nice.
Yes, and tomorrow we're going to the Carolina Fear Fest. It's gonna be super cool. I can't wait to take you guys with us.
Well, guys, if you enjoyed this travel vlog, give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new here and you have not yet, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when we put new videos up and when we go live.
Yeah! And if you enjoy hanging out with us and you want to further support the channel, check out our shops that are linked in the description below. Our bazaar shop, which is full of crazy bizarre things, and also our merchandise line. Check that out. You can get some cool, sweet Destination Stone swag. And if you've been hanging out this far, consider becoming a producer of our channel. For as low as 99 cents, you can become a producer and help us continue these adventures that we bring to you every single week.
Every single week.
just peep that join button right below the video. There's 3 different tiers. Check them out. So guys, as always, thank you for taking a little bit of your time to watch a little bit of our lives.
And until next time, you guys,
Onward and upward. Did that scare you when we got real close?
Come on, I'm ready to eat.
Hunger.